3 reasons. The Osmo Genius Starter Kit is the best for kids' mental health, education, and fun. Children playing with the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, smiling and engaged with cheerful background music. 3 reasons. The Osmo Genius Starter Kit is the best for kids' mental health, education, and fun. Hey parents! Craving the ultimate mix of fun, learning, and growth for your kids? Meet the Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. It's an interactive, award-winning ecosystem, merging physical play with exciting digital games. Discover the top 3 reasons why it's a must-have for children aged 6 to 10. A child solving a Tangram puzzle using the Osmo Kit, showing focus and joy as they complete it. Osmo's games inspire problem-solving and creativity. Tangram and words build concentration and confidence, offering a fantastic boost for mental and emotional health. A child using the numbers game on their iPad, connecting physical tiles to solve math problems, with parents nearby encouraging them. A child using the numbers game on their iPad, connecting physical tiles to solve math problems, with parents nearby encouraging them. A child using the numbers game on their iPad, connecting physical tiles to solve math problems, with parents nearby encouraging them. Osmo turns learning into excitement. Through math, reading, and logic games, kids engage in skill building that feels like play, making homework enjoyable. 2 children playing the masterpiece game, laughing and collaborating as they draw on paper while looking at the screen. Osmo ignites creativity and teamwork among kids, promoting collaboration and reinforcing family bonds through joyful shared moments. A shot of the complete Osmo Genius Starter Kit with text on screen. Unlock your child's potential today. Enthusiastic. Osmo is more than a learning tool. It's the gateway to your kids' happiness and growth. Ready for the ultimate educational adventure? Click the link in the description now to choose and buy the one that is suitable for your budget, and subscribe for more parent-perfect tips.